Welcome back to our channel. We're here because the homeowner noticed a water leak. I'm starting in the first room to create the sketch. So this is the bathroom with the main water damage. There is a lot of mold going on. A lot of stains on the wall, and the major water damage is coming from the toilet and this shower head, which has a lot of stains. The hardwood got affected. Now I'm going to proceed with marking the affected areas. Here's the first affected area. I'll also add one at the wall level. We noticed damage in this section during the inspection, which is why we're marking it. At this point, my project already contains all of the photos I captured on site. Let's make a quick edit to one of these photos. Now I'm ready to export the project as an ESX file. I can also export the entire photo gallery as a PDF report. Here you can see the completed photo report, including all of the photos and videos that were captured during the inspection. If I click on one of the scan videos, for example, anyone reviewing the report can play it back to see exactly what I saw while documenting the property. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.